This is Anthony Santorreyes. What they bring you, Anthony? Let's pull them out.
Hey, look it.
Oh, nice. A flashlight with superheroes.
Yeah.
Oh, Play-Doh. More Play-Doh with Mickey Mouse shapes. And the sticks that you needed, are they in there? Wow. What else you have? What else? Yes, Vivian, for you two to play. Yeah, you guys could be able to share that.
I told you, Bobby.
Oh, wow. What are those? A radio talkies, Anthony. A walkie-talkie. What do you call this? Tubes or YouTubes or what are they?
No, they're late buddy.
They're radio walkie-talkies.
Walkie-talkie.
But the ear kind. How they call the ear kind?
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. That's a Bluetooth. We just need to open it up and see how that works. Okay, buddy?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you,
Santorreyes?
Thank you, Santorreyes. I keep forgetting my mind. No.
Okay, bye.